say, kid?
Chinga su madre, ponte el viejito, no.
Disguised as a serpent, was able to deceive them, so they lacked faith in God's word, and they ate from the forbidden tree, and they plunged the whole human race into sin and depravity. And
yeah, what's up, playboy? Looking great, bringing me some joy over here. And I go, what we been doing over here, from shore to shore. This is absolutely no.
That sounds like a very...
I know, I'm like, that's like an old people.
Right? The times have 100% changed. I don't think that...
My bosses are millennials.
Right.
so it's not a small consequence for rejecting Jesus. A person who says no to Jesus Christ and his offer of forgiveness and salvation is saying yes to Satan and eternal hell. What they're saying is, I don't need you. I don't want your forgiveness. I don't want your salvation.
beginning with 1. A tap, it's gone. Moving to 2. It goes to the 3rd's the hardest one because you already know what to watch for. But I like a challenge, so watch close. It's close-up magic. The closer you watch, the less you'll see. 3 cups, 3 balls. It gets better. I just do 3 tricks, 2 crappy tricks, then a good trick. This is my first crappy trick. Cup for every ball, ball for every cup. They vanish from the ends. Then they meet in the middle. Now the reason the trick is so tough to track is because you just have 2 eyes, but I have 3 balls. My mom said I'm special. You can't follow 3 balls with 2 eyes. So, I'll remove 1. Davion, which card's behind my back? Let's try that again.
I don't know. Or, I don't know.
What is that? What is that?
I mean, I have to see like cellulite and stuff, but yep, mostly daily muscles. See like cellulite and stuff, but see like cellulite and stuff, but